This nigga Elite snoring like hell. Damn.
Damn, that nigga snore ugly as fuck.
Hell yeah. This nigga snoring like a motherfucker, bruh.